Hello and welcome to today's class. Here we have this simple quadratic equation to solve here. The question is solve your minus 5x to the power of 2 minus 9x plus 13 equal to 0. So how we solve quadratic equation of this kind? It is very easy. All we just have to do here is to either multiply through by minus 1 or we send all the quantity on the left hand side to the right hand side in order to eliminate this minus sign. But again, we can still go ahead to solve this the way it is without rewriting the equation. In other words, applying the formula method or completely the square method or the uh, factorization method, we can still go on to get the answer, right? Okay, but here I just want to eliminate this minus here. So I want to multiply the whole of this equation by our minus 1. So yeah, let's take our solution first here. So solution. So multiplying this by minus 1, this is going to give us a positive 5x to the power of 2, there plus our 9x to the plus here, so minus here 13 equal to 0. So you discover that we've eliminated the minus sign on this side of this equation. So with this, we can apply our formula method now. So using the formula method, which says that your x equals to your minus b plus minus the square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac, right, all over our 2a. So the value of A is our 5 and the value of B is positive 9. The value of C is minus 13. And so if we substitute this into the equation, we're going to have this to be minus 9 plus minus the square root of our 9 to the power of 2, then minus 4, then times our A is positive 5, then our C is minus 13, bracket close, everything all over 2, then times our A, which is 5 here. Okay, so if we simplify that, we're going to have here minus 9 plus minus the square root of, now if we simplify this, 9 to the power of 2 will give us our 81. We all know that the minus times minus will give us plus here. Then we now have our 4 times 5 will give us 20. 20 times 13 will give us 126. So we have here plus 226 rather, 220, 260 please, 260 rather, okay, because this is 20, so 20 times 13 will give us 260 all over our 10 here. All right, so from here we can add up this together. So this is going to give us our minus 9 plus minus the square root of this is going to give us 1, the 8 plus our 6 will give us 14, then carry 1 to give us plus 2 here to give us our 3 all over our 10 under here. All right, so if we, this is not a perfect square, and so if we find the square root of 341, that will give us 18.47 approximately. So this is going to give us minus 9 plus minus our 18.47 approximately all over 10. So we just have to split this. So this is going to give us here our minus 9 plus 18.47 all over 10, or our minus 9 minus 18.47 all over 10, right? Good. So if you simplify down, then we're going to end up having our 9.47 all over 10, right? All over 10 here. There, on this side, we're going to have minus 27.47 all over 10. And if you divide down, we're going to end up having a 0.947. Then, or we're going to have minus our 2.747. So we can now say, therefore, Our x1, the first value of x, is equals to the positive one, which is 0.947, and we have our x2. Our x2 is minus 2.747. So these are the two values of x that actually satisfy the original equation. All right, so this brings us to the end of this simple math solution. Thank you for being there. You have a question, drop it in the comment section. See you in our next class.